Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this chorizo pav. This is one of my favorites. You can serve this chorizo masala on top of a toast and serve it because it's very heavy. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. Here I'll be using original Goan chorizo. So I'll be using one strand of this chorizo beads in this recipe. I happened to find these chorizo beads which were sold near a church near my house. And I've also laid out finely chopped onion, tomato and one chili which is finely chopped. I'll also be using chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. So I'm the only one person eating this chorizo at my house. None of the other family members happen to eat pork. So here I've boiled 2 cups of water in a wok. Now to the hot water I've added the beads and allowed it to soak for at least 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes these chorizo beads have swollen up and it's nice and soft. At this point I'll remove all the thread which is securing those beads and if possible try to chop it into small pieces using a scissors. I'll not be using any oil in this recipe because it already contains a lot of fat in it. So I'm not going to be using any oil. I like the smoky flavor and taste in this chorizo. If you happen to come across this particular chorizo, you can purchase it. If you're not a pork eating person, then I would suggest try the chicken version. It's very nice. So using a scissor itself, I'm just chopping it into small pieces as I'm removing the thread. And also friends, all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. I will also post that lady's address where you can purchase it, you can order. They deliver all these products to your doorstep. Now I've chopped up the chorizo and added it. Now to the chorizo itself I'll be adding the onion, tomato, chili and chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. We'll place this on medium flame and cook it. So all of that water should evaporate and the chorizo should fry well. Here you can see the oil has separated from the masala. I've not used any oil in this recipe. The chorizo is cooked well. I covered it and cooked it for at least 10 minutes. The water is completely evaporated. So as you are stirring it, just mash up the chorizo and mix it in the tomato masala. So now this chorizo masala is ready. How I'm going to serve it is, I'm going to slice the pav bun in half and place this masala in the pav bun and serve it. Otherwise, you can also eat this with rice. It's very nice with rice. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handlings and my Tamil channel link will be listed in the description box below this video. Here I'll be using fluffy pav buns. I've sliced the pav buns in half and I'll place that chorizo masala in the middle and serve it hot. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.